Do you want to learn some modern slang? Some Anglospeak that's current in 2025? Today I have 10 examples of slang words for you. So watch this video to the end. Tell me how many you already knew or how you're going to use the new ones. What is Anglospeak? People change words to avoid censorship. Unalive for dead, segs for sex. There is a book, Anglospeak 2025. I'll put a picture of it here. And this shows how language is adapting to different algorithms like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. Let's get right into it. 1. Riz, short for charisma, charm, especially in flirting. He's got riz with everyone at the party. She used her riz to get a free coffee. This is one I covered a couple of weeks ago. Skibbity, nonsense word from a meme. Memes wild, silly, or crazy. That TikTok dance is skibbity. The concept was skibbity. Everyone was jumping around. Brain rot, content that's silly or pointless but addictive. I spent 3 hours watching brain rot videos on YouTube. That game is total brain rot. I can't stop playing it. NPC, non-player character. Someone robotic or unoriginal, not the number one character. He just repeats TikTok comments. What an NPC. She walked into the wall like an NPC in a video game. Cap, no cap. Cap is a lie, no cap is true. He said he can eat 20 burgers. That's cap. The movie was amazing. No cap. Sigma, someone independent, doesn't follow the crowd. He studies alone. Total Sigma energy. She ignored the drama and kept working. Very Sigma. Doom scrolling. We've all done this. Endlessly scrolling bad news or negative content. I stayed up all night doom scrolling until 2 a.m. Stop doom scrolling. Go to bed. Unless you're watching all on my channel. Then keep going. Down a rabbit hole. Losing time while clicking or watching endlessly. I went down a YouTube rabbit hole of cooking videos. She spent hours down a rabbit hole about conspiracy theories. Ghosting. Suddenly cutting off communication with no explanation. I see some of you nodding your heads. He ghosted me after our first date. She ghosted the group chat for a month. Last one, mid. Something average, boring, or just okay. So-so. That burger was mid. Nothing special. The movie was mid. Not worth the hype. And that is my 10 slang words for 2025. Remember, slang changes fast. Don't stress if you can't use all of it. But remember, it changes with the time. So what's relevant now might not be relevant in 6 months or a year. Understand slang to follow conversations, movies, and memes. Use it with friends, but not in job interviews or essays. So, let me know down in the comments below. Have you ever doom scrolled or gone down a rabbit hole? Be honest. Comment below with your favorite slang word. If there's any I didn't know, let me know. I'll do another video if I get enough from you. So, comment, like, subscribe. I love all that sort of stuff. Check in analytics. 80% of the people that don't watch my videos are not subscribed. So please guys, subscribe to my channel. Get notifications and watch more. Consider buying me a coffee as well. Until next time, I'll see you later and thanks for watching to the end.